What I wish I knew at my lowest moment is that God's grace never wavers. Life can be full of challenges, can it? But there's a comforting truth we can always lean on. The Lord is gracious and compassionate, slow to anger and rich in love. In those moments of doubt or difficulty, remember that God's love is like a warm embrace, always ready to envelop you. His grace is a gentle reminder that you are never alone, no matter what you're facing. Let's take a moment to affirm this together. Lord, I thank you for being gracious and compassionate toward me. I rest in the truth that your love for me is rich and unfailing. In every moment of doubt or difficulty, I affirm that your kindness sustains me and your patience guides me. I trust in your goodness and declare that your love will carry me through every challenge I face. Amen. When you feel the weight of the world on your shoulders, remember that God's love is unfailing. His compassion is immeasurable, and his patience knows no bounds. So breathe deeply, let go of your worries, and rest in his loving embrace. You are cherished, you are cared for, and you are never alone. Feel the strength of God's unfailing love, and let it uplift you today.